Lokiproxy's short-term residential IP offers excellent value and high performance. Access the pricing page and select the desired number of IPs to purchase. You can view the number of IPs available in the client application. To ensure users can quickly and stably use residential proxy services, Lokiproxy offers a downloadable free client to help you easily set up, manage, and use proxy IPs. If a non-mainland China IP address is displayed, it means that the current network environment is suitable for using the client. The IP pool displays 100 available residential IP addresses by default. You can obtain an IP address through the following two methods. Forwarding port: right-click on an IP address, select an available port, and complete the binding. After successful binding, you can view and use it in port forwarding. Bulk forwarding is also possible. Programmatic proxies allow proxy IPs to directly apply to specified applications without requiring manual configuration. Click on Smart Import, and the client will automatically scan your computer for browsers and add them. Alternatively, click Add Program and select the corresponding programs.exe file from your local drive to complete the addition. The successfully bound IP will be displayed in the 24-hour list. If the IP address is online for 24 hours, it can be reused without incurring further charges. In the forwarding port settings, you can select an IP address, right-click, and paste it directly into your anti-detect browser for use. We select the proxy type, enter the relevant information, and then perform a test. Once the test is successful, we open. Those interested in the client software and short-term residential IP addresses can message customer service to download and purchase them.